Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's kitchen remodel, we moved around some appliances to make the kitchen more functional. We also installed a large stainless steel chimney style hood. Be sure to stay tuned to the end to see this modern kitchen when it's all finished. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. The homeowners were responsible for the demo, so here are some photos before things got torn out. Everything has been removed from the kitchen and the electricians are doing the rough-in work. The drywall is now being patched and repaired. The walls have been painted and the underlayment for the LVT floor has been installed. We installed Mannington Adora dockside boardwalk 6x48 planks throughout the first floor. After we finished the floor, we installed Waypoint 650F maple linen cabinets. We installed Richelieu 811128-195 hardware on all the doors and drawers. The quartz countertops we installed were Cambria Berwyn with demi bullnose edges. The backsplash we installed was American Olean Profiles Designer White Matte 3x6 tiles. To finish up this remodel, we installed the appliances as well as a stainless steel chimney style hood. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this remodel. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.